we will be taking a look at Collectiv's stock market report. The report focuses on Dow Jones, NASDAQ, and S&P 500 from 2000 to 2020. This report will analyze the strength of a particular sector and offer the public fundamental information concerning a particular industry. On this report, you'll see 4 pages, based on Dow Jones, NASDAQ, S&P 500, and volume. On the Dow Jones page, you will see our average open price and percentage change analysis visual. On the left side, you will see average open price and a trend on open to close percentage change. We also have a breakdown visual on average prices and price max and minimum. The NASDAQ and S&P 500 pages have a similar representation as the Dow Jones page. Let's go ahead and move on to the volume page. On this page, there is a visual representation of dollar change and a breakdown of average volume and percentage change. There is also a visual based on the trend throughout the year. We have a similar representation on NASDAQ stock volume and also S&P 500 stock volume. This has been a brief overview of Stock Market Report by Collectiv. Please contact us for more details at gocollectiv.com.